Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard-boiled eggs that peel easily. Getting perfectly peelable hard-boiled eggs every time is simpler than you think. We will start by placing your eggs in a pot of cold water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Then, add about 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to the water. This small addition is key to effortless peeling. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat. Now, with the heat off, cover your pot tightly. Let the eggs sit undisturbed in the hot water for exactly 12 minutes. This specific duration is crucial for achieving that ideal hard-boiled consistency, where the yolk is firm and creamy without any undesirable green ring. Overcooking can lead to a rubbery texture and make the shells cling stubbornly, so stick to the 12-minute mark for best results. Once the 12 minutes are up, it is time for the most critical step, the ice bath. Immediately transfer your hot eggs into a bowl filled with ice water. Let them cool completely for at least 5 minutes. This rapid temperature change causes the egg white to contract, pulling away from the shell membrane, making peeling incredibly easy. After cooling, gently tap and roll each egg to crack the shell all around. Now for the satisfying part, peeling. For the easiest experience, peel your eggs under cool running water. The water helps to wash away any small shell fragments and further aids in separating the membrane. You will find the shells practically slide off in large pieces, leaving you with perfectly smooth, beautiful hard-boiled eggs. Enjoy them immediately, or store your peeled eggs in the refrigerator for up to 7 days for quick snacks or meal additions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.